Hi, my name is Vinny B, and welcome to another episode on the Smart Hayabusa. And today we... What is this? Yeah, okay, so today we do have a lot of stuff to build. We're gonna install the seat, the steering wheel, and we're gonna build a shifter. And yes, we're gonna do also the cluster. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. It's stupid, I know. Yeah. I'm an entertainer.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep, I bought a used Chinesium racing seat, and it was cheap. I mean, really cheap. But now I guess I know why. I've got 4 threaded sleeves to put a nut to attach the seat, but yeah, there's one missing. So one good tip: if you want to protect something, use an old leather jacket. It's not bulletproof, but it can easily withstand the heat from the weld. So, let's go. There you go. There you go.
Now the seat is in. It's steering time.
Wow. Alright, so this is the original Smart steering wheel, and the plan is to cut the middle section because I need this, my precious. Yeah, I need this spline hole because it will fit the steering column in the Smart. So choppy chop chop, machine, spacer, and I will put the racing wheel on it. Let's go!
Okay, well, before cutting the steering wheel of the Smart, and since the seat is installed, we will set the new position of the steering column.
That is nice.
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it a lot. Really, really nice. I will try to show you a little bit closer if I can. Yep. So I can see everything. All right, next step, modifying that steering. Let's go. All right, it's time. Oh yeah, it's time to cut this thing. Just keep the middle section with the spline hole and machine an adapter plate. Bolt everything together and install this beauty. Oh yeah, piece of crap. Thank you. Oh, that's, yeah, nice finish. Really sturdy. Beep, beep. Oh, that's gonna be really nice. All right.
Montage.
Oh, that is a nice fit. Oh.
Je vais serrer ça comme si ma vie en dépendait. Shifter.
Oh yeah, I really like it. Oh yeah. Push-pull cable, that's the way to go. Everything is so close. Oh, that is nice. Yes.
All right, so that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed this series so far. Thank you for watching till the end. We are getting so close to start this engine and drive this thing. If you like what you're seeing so far, please consider subscribing because I'm already planning my next projects. Shh, don't tell my wife. And one of them is so stupid that I think that I will do it. Because that's what I am, stupid. All right, see you in 2 weeks. Till then, go do something with your hand, your head, or both. See ya! I'm entertaining people. At least I'm having fun doing it. Oh, you can see my cat. Oh, hello! I'm a puppeteer. Oh my god, no, okay, that's stupid. For the next project. Ah, ça fait longtemps que j'ai pas fabriqué quelque chose. Je fais juste des vidéos.